Tesla, a company that has revolutionized the electric vehicle industry and captured the imagination of millions. The brainchild of Elon Musk, Tesla has become synonymous with innovation, green energy, and the future of transportation. But behind the flashy cars and groundbreaking technology lies a story that is far less glamorous. One of ruthless ambition, cutthroat competition, and even some dirty secrets. Tesla wasn't always the tech giant it is today. In fact, when it started, only a few people believed in the idea of electric cars. Founded in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, Tesla was initially an outsider in the auto industry. But everything changed when Elon Musk entered the scene. Elon Musk, already riding high from his success with PayPal, saw Tesla as the future. He quickly invested $6.5 million, becoming the largest shareholder and chairman of Tesla. But what most people don't know is that Musk wasn't Tesla's original founder.
I'm not sure why he has to also say that he was a founder when he wasn't. I don't understand.
Oh, yeah, whatever.
In fact, he would eventually push out the original founders in a bitter power struggle that left some deep scars. By 2008, Musk had taken full control, effectively rewriting Tesla's history books and positioning himself as the visionary behind the company. But this early drama was just the beginning of Tesla's rollercoaster journey. With Musk at the helm, Tesla promised a new era of electric vehicles. But things were far from smooth. The Model 3, which was supposed to be Tesla's affordable electric car for the masses, became an industrial nightmare. In 2017, Tesla's production hell became a well-known phrase inside the company. Behind closed doors, things were much worse than most people knew. Tesla was hemorrhaging cash, workers were overworked, and rumors swirled that the company might not survive. Despite the chaos, Musk refused to give up. He famously said, "I'm sleeping on the factory floor because I can't ask my employees to work harder than I do." But was this dedication or desperation?
When we first started at Tesla and Solar City, we thought they would fail. We thought, Tesla in particular, we thought probably with maybe 10% chance of success.
Tesla is celebrated for its cutting-edge technology, but there's a darker side to its innovation. Behind the gleaming exterior of the company, Tesla has been accused of mistreating workers and cutting corners when it comes to safety.
Tesla factory workers in California are working so hard they're passing out on the production line, according to the Guardian newspaper. The lengths Tesla is willing to go to in order to meet its ambitious production goals, along with the pride employees feel despite their exhaustion, has resulted in over 100 calls to ambulances since 2014. This is according to incident reports obtained by the Guardian, which interviewed 15 current and former Tesla factory workers. Fainting spells, dizziness, seizures, and other symptoms have sent several workers to the hospital, the Guardian reports. Tesla founder and CEO Elon Musk told The Guardian in an interview that the workers are, quote, having a hard time working long hours and on hard jobs. Musk added that he cared deeply about the well-being of his employees. Tesla said its factory safety record has significantly improved. The bottom line, Tesla factory workers are working so hard they're passing out.
As said by a former worker, "It was brutal. We were under constant pressure to meet impossible targets. People were getting hurt, and management didn't seem to care." Musk has always pushed for speed in his race to revolutionize the car industry, but this wasn't the only controversy brewing beneath the surface. One of Tesla's most controversial innovations is its autopilot system, a technology that promises to change the way we drive forever. But is it as safe as it seems? Tesla has been accused of misleading customers about the capabilities of its autopilot feature. Despite its name, autopilot is not fully autonomous, and several high-profile crashes, some fatal, have called the technology into question. The issue isn't just with the technology, it's the marketing. Calling it autopilot gives drivers a false sense of security. They trust the car more than they should. Tesla insists that autopilot is safer than human drivers and that it saves lives. However, critics argue that the company is playing a dangerous game by pushing the boundaries of self-driving tech without fully addressing safety concerns. Elon Musk is undoubtedly one of the most polarizing figures of our time. Some see him as a genius, a man who is single-handedly pushing humanity forward. Others see him as a reckless businessman whose lofty promises don't always match reality. Musk's unpredictable behavior has landed Tesla in hot water more than once. From clashes with regulators to his erratic tweets that have tanked the company's stock price, Musk's leadership style is as controversial as it is effective. The industry analysts say Elon Musk is both Tesla's greatest asset and its biggest liability. His vision is unparalleled, but his impulsive decisions often put the company at risk. Tesla has managed to become the world's most valuable car company. But the question is, how long can they hold on to the crown? The electric vehicle market is getting more crowded every day. Tesla is no longer the only game in town, as governments around the world push for greener energy. Tesla will have to fight to maintain its dominance. So, what will Tesla's legacy be? A visionary company that reshaped the world, or a cautionary tale of innovation at any cost? Only time will tell. What do you think? Will Tesla still stay on top or not?
If you learned even one new thing from this video, please like, comment on, and share it with your friends who also want to acquire new and exciting facts about big businesses.